iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I'm very happy to participate in a collaboration that's being hosted by Yami, the Latina Next Door, and it is the March Look for Less Challenge 2020. And her co-host for this challenge is the Week's Nest. And what we had to do is find a high-end decor piece that we would recreate for less, thus the look for less, for a lot less money. You guys know I love my florals, I love succulents, and I saw this beautiful succulent planter on Pottery Barn's website, and I will leave a link for it right here. It is very pretty and I love it. It features a very large clamshell, which you guys know that I thrifted one last year and it was featured in my very first Pinterest inspired DIY. So if you missed that video, I will leave a link for it here so you can check that out. But that is what we are going to be using today to recreate our look for less. We are going to use our large clamshell. So without further ado, let's start creating our look for less. I want to thank Yami for hosting this collaboration along with the Week's Nest. I will leave a link for both of their channels down below, along with a list of the playlist of all the participants. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I've placed the styrofoam in the clamshell, and now we are going to start adding. Should I start with we'll start with our succulents first. And I'm going to put this big one right here in the middle, and then we'll just work our way out. I'm going to put the larger ones like on the outside so they're sticking out. And then we'll start filling in. And I haven't glued the styrofoam down because I don't want to make anything permanent, because I will go in and change it up later. And we'll put our little baby ones here, and one over here. We'll start adding in some moss rocks. And we'll put another one here. And we'll add a few more succulents. Put this one here. We'll have that hanging down. And then maybe one hanging down this side. And this side as well. And put one here in the front. Now we're going to supplement with the moss. So we'll go in and start adding some moss underneath our succulents to fill in those empty spaces of where there is not succulent, to give it a more finished look. Just move it all around in here to make it look really pretty. Open another bag of moss and just stuff that in. Like where there's some blank spaces. And I don't want to cover up my succulents. I do want them to show through. So I just want the moss to be underneath. Put some over here. Make sure this still sticks out. Just under. Make sure that sticks out. And need a little more under here. And then maybe a little more here. I am really loving how this is looking. And I think it looks spot on for the Pottery Barn faux planner. Let's clean up some of the little greenery here. I love it, guys. Look. I am absolutely loving this. OMG. I think it looks just like the Pottery Barn. And the best part is I got the clamshell from the Goodwill. It was $2.99. The succulents I got on clearance from Michael's last year. I want to say maybe I paid $15 at most, if that. I don't exactly remember, but I know it was not more than $20. So we have recreated the Pottery Barn succulent that was originally $179. Now it's marked down, I think, to $102, and we made ours for $25. Yes, that's what we're gonna go with, $25, and I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you will need to come back and see how I style this succulent planter in my home. You do not want to miss it. So again, I want to thank Yami for hosting this March Look for Less 2020, along with her co-host, The Week's Nest. It was so much fun, ladies. I will be participating in all of the collaborations. There will be a lot more DIYs on my channel because with everything that's going on outside, we'll all be cooped up in our homes and we'll all be doing a lot of DIY craft projects, and I love it. So here we are, once again, our Look for Less. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new here and are not yet part of my YouTube family, please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming a part of my YouTube family and joining me on my YouTube journey. I do DIYs, crafting, I love thrifting, and I just put out a video on how to thrift safely with Corona. If you have not seen that video, I will leave a link here. We all want to love, or we all love going thrifting. We don't want to give it up. And until they put a shelter in place action, I think we can all still go out and do thrifting safely. If you have a mask, make sure you wear it. Make sure you wear gloves. Bring things in, sterilize them. I showed you how to do a kit to keep in your car to sterilize before you get home. And then after you get home, you can take what you found, and if it's like decor pieces, something you can put in water, you can soak it in bleach water to sterilize it. That's what I always do. So yeah, I think we can still go out and thrift safely, buy things safely. If you can stay inside, stay inside. But if you're like me, you're starting to get cooped up after 3 days of being in the house, and I just need to get out. So I will probably be going thrifting tomorrow as long as the Goodwill is open. So enough yammering. I hope you guys had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.